Still hungry?
No. Not at all.
All right, good. Hi everyone, my name is Amy Rout. I like hiking and backpacking, and that is why I'm interested in trying new snacks for backpacking and day hiking. I did post a video of my favorite backpacking lunch snacks and day hiking snacks, so go ahead and check that out if you have not seen it. Today we're going to try some new things, and I have Carson Darling with me.
Hey everyone.
So that way you're not listening to only my opinion. I wanted to film in the store, but I was worried about getting kicked out, so I did not. That probably wouldn't have happened, but I was nervous. Okay, so let's check out what I picked from the store. And you have no idea what I picked out? Because you were not
I have no
there.
idea.
I picked up snacks from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. I spent a lot more money than I wanted to, but that's okay because I have snacks. This is lunch today also, so I hope you're hungry.
Oh yeah.
Okay, first snack. Oh, freeze-dried raspberries. Not a lot of calories, but I love raspberries, so yeah, let's get into it. They look like raspberries.
So they're a lot more tart than I thought they would be.
Really?
Yeah. They're good. They're very good.
Yeah.
I think I'd rather have raspberries.
Yeah, I would too. But I wouldn't bring raspberries backpacking.
No, it'd be a hard one.
Yeah.
Maybe for day one.
Yeah. I think raspberries are my favorite berry, so.
Yeah.
All right, that's that. I thought these were interesting. Thai lime and chili almonds. I know, I actually bought these a couple weeks ago, and then we went on a couple trips. So I kind of wish I was able to bring them on those trips. But I wanted to save the grand opening for the video. Here, you try first.
That's really good.
Yeah, I like those.
That's really good.
Yeah, these are interesting.
I think I would eat that before I would eat just plain almonds.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. I like
Cool.
those a lot more than just plain almonds.
Yeah. So if I take any nut for backpacking, it would be almonds. And this is like a nice little extra flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Those are really good. I like these. Would you take these backpacking?
I would definitely take those backpacking.
Yeah, I would too. Ooh, are you ready for a whole bar?
Sure.
Cool. All right. Trader Joe's PB&J Bars. Are you excited?
Oh yeah. I love PB&Js.
Cool. Better split that evenly.
I think you got the bigger piece.
Cool. You're a bigger fan of peanut butter than I am.
I am. It's a little bit dry for me.
It is kind of dry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I feel like the what are the bars? Nutri-Grain?
Cliff Bar?
No.
Nutri-Grain. Mm-hmm.
I feel like the Nutri-Grain bars aren't as dry as this, but it's like the same covering.
I kind of agree.
I don't know if it's the peanut butter or what, but yeah.
Yeah. I'd probably take them backpacking and be happy to have them, but I don't know if I would buy them again.
Mm-hmm. I very much agree with that.
Yeah.
I think if I was hot and didn't have a ton of water with me, I'd be kind of annoyed with these.
I'm not a super huge peanut butter fan. I don't dislike peanut butter. I don't love it like a lot of people do, like he does.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I gotta finish eating this before we're gone to the next one.
Yeah. They are less crumbly than Nutri-Grain bars.
That's true.
I know you don't care as much. I don't like snacks that make a big mess.
I'm just so used to making a mess that
No.
it's just not a thing for me. Okay, next. Steve's Paleo Goods Paleo Crunch. It's an apple grainless granola. That sounded interesting. Yeah, so I was like, we are gonna try that.
I really want to like this one.
There's definitely cinnamon in here.
Yeah, it's an interesting one. It's not as appley as I thought it would be.
Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves.
Mm.
I like the ingredients though. So the ingredients are almonds, shredded coconut, walnuts, dried apples, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almond slivers, coconut oil, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves. That's it. That's the only thing on the ingredient list. So I kind of like that.
Yeah. I think if I were buying, I don't know if I would choose this or regular granola. Mm-hmm. I'm a huge granola fan. And
yeah.
I think I might go with granola over this.
Yeah. I mean, I just really like the ingredient list.
Yeah,
it's very simple.
I like that too.
But it's probably also expensive. So I don't know if I'll buy it again. But it's good. All right. Ooh, I thought these were interesting too. The crispy, crunchy mochi rice nuggets. I was like, what is that? So we're going to find out right now.
I have no idea what to expect on this.
Yeah. Oh. Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They kind of remind me of really big corn nuts.
Yeah.
Kind of a similar flavor
Right.
profile, but a little softer.
Yeah. I agree.
I actually really like those.
Yeah, I do too. I'd consider buying these again for backpacking. I just don't go to Trader Joe's that often.
Well.
Yeah, I really like these. Should try
I
them
would
out.
definitely not be sad if we had those
Yeah.
on a trip.
Honestly, if we end up in a Trader Joe's again, I might just buy these. Even
Definitely.
for just a snack at home.
They are the first salty, fatty thing that we've had, so.
Yes, yeah. Everything else was a little sweeter and... Or, yeah.
Or super healthy.
Yeah. Ooh! Organic coconut cookies.
This would be your favorite.
Lemon ginger. Superfood bites. Oh, wow. These smell super
Ooh.
lemony.
Yeah.
Here, let's just share one if you're okay with that.
Yeah.
These are good.
That's really good.
Yeah.
But they're really flavorful.
Yeah.
I couldn't eat like 4 of those.
No.
But as like a nice snack in the middle of the day, I mean, that might be really good.
Yeah.
Kind of a treat.
I could eat like 3 of these.
They're pretty calorie dense too.
Oh, yeah.
Each one is like 100 calories.
Yeah. That's a good amount of calories.
Yeah.
We would definitely bring these backpacking. Pretty good. Coconut cookies. Oh. So I also have energy balls by Peak Sherpa. They actually sent these to me. They contacted me on Instagram and they didn't ask for anything in return except for just what my opinion was. And we did try some of them when we went on our Indian Creek climbing trip. But this is another flavor that I haven't tried yet, so I'm just gonna chocolate almond.
Yum.
Just gonna eat one. Resealable packaging, pretty cool. I think that was like one of their big things. So you put the whole thing in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty chewy.
Mm-hmm.
I like them.
Yeah, it kind of gives me like a chocolate Cliff Bar vibe.
Mm-hmm.
But they're really good. They're really chewy.
Yeah.
But they are very good.
Mm-hmm.
I really like those.
I do too. I don't think they sell these in any store yet. So I don't know. I don't usually order food online. But if they were sold in the store, I'd probably get them. Okay. Got a couple more things.
Sweet.
I feel like we're eating a lot of sweet things. Right? Like, I don't know if I'm ready for this. It's a cookie dough flavored bar.
Ooh.
It's a hemp bar, cookie dough flavor. Ooh, yeah, it looks like cookie dough. It's sweet and salty.
Yeah, it's not anywhere near sweet. One of the things I struggle with backpacking foods is being able to eat on the go.
Yeah.
And usually if we're moving, I want something that's not going to prevent me breathing. And this feels like it's going to prevent me from breathing while walking.
Still crumbly.
Mm-hmm.
This is delicious, though.
That's pretty good.
I really like this. I could definitely taste the hemp seed.
Mm-hmm.
I like to put hemp seed in a lot of stuff, and I definitely taste that in here.
Mm-hmm.
This is good. I feel like I would get this again. I really like that. Cool. Okay. Oh, Honey Stinger. So I like their waffles and their gels, which I shared in my favorite snack video, but I've never seen these, and so I was kind of curious to try it. It's a organic cracker and nut butter snack bar. And this one is peanut butter filled bar covered in milk chocolate with multi-grain crackers and sea salt. I feel like you're probably going to like this one.
That one sounds really good.
It might be pretty peanut buttery for me. Let's see. Oh, there is a cracker. It's like a saltine cracker in there. Ooh, I like it.
It's very chocolatey.
It is.
It's good.
I like it.
I can't decide.
I like the chocolate and the salty cracker.
Yeah, I think the flavor's good. I don't know if while I was out on a trail, if this is what I would want to eat. I think it might be too much chocolate.
I guess you made a good point, though. There's a lot of chocolate on the outside of this. So the concern would be...
Oh, I wonder if it would melt.
Yeah. It'd probably be pretty messy in the packaging if it got hot. But you can lick the wrapper. Make it cool down, then lick the wrapper after.
I mean, we've all done it.
But I like this. I really like it. I like the mixture of the sweet chocolate and the salty cracker that's on the inside. I think it's really good.
Yeah.
I would probably get these again. Okay. So speaking of chocolate, I got one last treat. I actually saw this on my way out of Trader Joe's. It was sitting there. You know, they get you with the, at the cashier area, and you're
sneaky.
just bored sitting there. And I saw this and had to grab it. So if it's going to be really hot, you might not want this for backpacking because I'm sure it would get very messy. But cold brew coffee chocolate bar.
Nice.
I mean, yeah, I had to pick that up.
Yeah. Maybe for a winter backpacking trip.
Yeah, maybe for a winter backpacking trip, or again, maybe wait till the morning time and have it for breakfast when it's a little bit cooler, and then you can lick the wrapper where the extra chocolate
It's
is.
a replacement for cold brew coffee in the morning.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Oh, with caramel filling. Wow,
Ooh.
this will kickstart your day. I mostly just wanted to try this. Here, I'm just gonna... Ooh.
That's really good. Mm-hmm. Well, less coffee flavoring than I would have thought.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I get more of the dark chocolate. Although they're very similar.
Yeah. I think it tastes pretty coffee-like to me.
It says store in a cool, dry place. Might be a tough one.
Or try your backpacking and lick the wrapper.
I mean, yeah.
It has coffee in it and espresso powder.
Oh.
So, yeah. Pretty delicious. Again, the debate with chocolate backpacking, I don't know if we would. It probably depends on the trip we did.
Yeah.
Maybe not during the summer.
I feel like when it's hot, I want really salty foods.
Yeah.
When it's cold, though, I want sweet foods.
Yeah.
And so I see this for something like the Tetons. Could be really nice.
Yeah.
If you're expected to be pretty cold, even in July.
Yeah. That's true. It was pretty cold in Grand Teton.
Yeah.
So that probably would have worked well.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Those are all the snacks I got that I wanted us to try. We found some that we would potentially get in the future for our backpacking trips. And hopefully you guys discovered some snacks that you want to try. Thank you for watching, and like usual, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you'd like to see stories and posts of trips I do before I post a video. I'll see you all in the next one.
You got something in your teeth right here. Other side.
This side?
Yeah. One more tooth over. Yeah. There you go.
Do you think they saw?
I don't know. Probably not.
Do you want to see how I do a thumbnail?
Sure.
Like smile? And just hold it for a few seconds? Yeah.
So
This is how I do it.
I know, it's great. It's a good idea.
It's actually really funny looking back and watching it.
Yeah.
It's kind of awkward.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah. Okay.